Okay, good morning friends on the Facebook. Now I'm here on the field. We are doing some work to do. We are going to build a culvert here so that this road will be a good road to harvest the fruits of the palm oil. And this is the machine that I'm driving, I'm operating. I'm going to use this machine to pull down the culvert, the plastic one. It's a fiber culvert. Somebody is going to deliver it and he is now coming. I'm going to wait for him coming on this way. They are now coming this way. Here he comes, and this is the fortune delivering the fiber pipe to fix this culvert. Here is my friend. These are my two friends. They're delivering the pipe. So I'm going to pull down the pipe so that we can install it for our culvert. Ron, saya bikin video ba? Sebab saya mau kirim pergi Facebook. Kau tolong saya kasih turun, saya mau gambar macam mana. Pasal dia orang mau tengok ba? Pergi luar negeri ni. Ya. Saya mau bikin ba? I asked one of the operator to pull down the culvert.
Berapa? Satu, dua?
Only one.
Only one.
Yes. This is my friend.
Okay, bro.
My friend from Indonesia.
Good morning, my brother.
And this other one. These are my friend from Indonesia. Papua ka. Dia mau 3 menit ba? Baru ada duit. Kalau tidak, mana ada duit? Saya bikin bisnis bro. Bisnis.
Berarti mau donor kasih kami 2.
Iyalah, kalau ada untung saya nanti. Jangan susah. Tetap itu.
Satu saja. Satu ke 2?
Satu saja. Situ saja saya mau pasang bro. Yang lain nanti kalau antar di mana tempat dulu.
Sana sudah 3 sudah. This my friend, my friend.
Okay. Suka darang tengok video yang dari kita ini. Yang Amerika itu kan? Suka betul darang. Saya sudah ada video. This friend of mine is smoking.
I am from Papua.
Papua. He is from Papua. Now you see how they're going to I think this picture is not so quite good because it has been rain here this morning, so not clear. We have rain here this morning.